going to be showing how I solved it. So to start out, I rewrote the equation to just have something to build myself off of. And for the first question, how many trucks will maximize their profit, I had to find out what x equaled, and to do this I did the formula negative b over 2a, and from that I got negative 88 over negative 8, which is 11, and so that pretty much answered the question, x equals 11. And so the answer was 11 trucks will maximize their profit. And the second question was, what will the maximum profit be in dollars? This was pretty much just plugging in 11 for x, since that was the maximum amount of trucks they needed. And from this I pretty much got 196, but that wasn't the answer since it needed a unit, and it was in thousands of dollars for the profit, so $196,000. For C, when will their profit be $0? I pretty much just had to make the equation equal to 0, and from there it was pretty much just factoring. I was able to, since the whole thing was divisible by 4, I was able to divide 88 by negative 4, negative 288 by negative 4, and then negative 4x squared by negative 4, and then it canceled out on that side because it's a 0. So that made it 0 equals x squared minus 22x plus 72. And I know that negative 4 and negative 18 both combine to get negative 22. And then they also both multiply to get 72. So I knew that x minus 4 times x minus 18 is, factors. And then from there I know that x equals 4 because x minus 4 equals 0, and you could do that. Same thing with here, x minus 18. So x minus 18 equals 0, so x equals 18. So the answer would be the profit will be $0 at 4 trucks and 18 trucks, since there could be 2 answers, and they both made sense. For D, it was what is the number of trucks they should have to get to a profit of 52, which is also 52,000, and there could be 2 answers here as well, so it was pretty similar to C, where I just made the equation equal to 52 this time, but here I subtracted 52 from both sides to get negative 4x squared plus 88x minus 340. And from here, since everything was divisible by 0 again, I divided the whole thing by negative 4, and it canceled out on the other side, keeping it at 0. So from here it was 0 equals x squared minus 22x plus 85. Forgot to write the x there, but I know that negative 5 and negative 17 both combine to get negative 22, and they also multiply to get 85, and again it's the same thing as x minus 5 equals 0, so x equals 5, x minus 17 equals 0, so x equals 17, and so I know that 5 trucks and 17 trucks can result in a profit of $52,000.